Kubor nakaslem jong unongsan Hima.
Ka Young Men's Christian Association YMCA kalaraki ka Lehkmen Advanced Christmas menta kasengi ka Rio Tarik Unok Pra Arajar Arpulai ha Bharat Scouts and Guide Hall. General Secretary Uba J.R. Mirpo Lapriang Sungubha ya baro kibedan benta kan thop yung Most Reverend Bishop Pierre Lingdo nangtao Vice President Dr. C.O. Rangat, Treasurer Ba Gideon Kharkongor, Regional Secretary Uba Shamir Thaba, bat baro kidukhat ki khana puli bat ki nongtre ki badon hapo ka YMCA Computer Center. Hakani kasingi kala donru ka Jingduwai, Ryngkat ki Jingduwai Kristmas, bala ai ka Jingkran ai men sim do IAS officer bala shong thaj. Uba deiru u board member ba unong ilam jang kabalang uba Pochester Kharkongor.
That plagued the nation of Israel and plagues us today had been pierced by the light of God's salvation. This promise of light is later fulfilled in the birth of the Messiah, our Lord Jesus. At Christmas, we celebrate the coming of this promised light, foretold centuries before through God's prophets. And the lesson from this second point is our promised King has come, bringing light to the dark places of the world and establishing an eternal kingdom. The third point for meditation is the overcoming light. The Gospel of John, chapter 1, verses 1 to 18. John begins his Gospel, unlike Matthew and Luke. He doesn't begin with a Christmas story. John states that all creation comes through Christ, and this Christ is life and light. And he further says that the light shines in the darkness, and the darkness has not been able to overcome it. Christmas, therefore, reminds us of the overcoming light. Christ is insurmountable. His influence, his power, his light is irresistible. And therefore, the lesson from this third point is Jesus brought light to us. Light that darkness cannot overcome when he came in the flesh, full of grace and truth.